How to make money fast. Doing odd jobs. 1. Find small paid tasks via apps. There are apps that pay you for doing marketing tasks, such as scanning products at a grocery store or completing a survey. Download one of these apps and use it to find small paid tasks you can do. You may not be able to make much money per task this way. However, you can start right away and make some money. Warning: stay away from apps that ask you to do something like pay a fee or supply credit card information to sign up to complete surveys. Those are almost always scams. 2. Fill out online surveys. There are many websites devoted that connect users to free online surveys. These usually only pay at most a few dollars each, but they take very little effort and may provide fast payment. Amazon's Mechanical Turk program is another way to make money online by answering questions or completing simple tasks. However, the pay is usually very low, often only a few cents per task. 3. Use your skills to do day labor. Post an ad online or on a bulletin board offering to do odd jobs, or sign up with an employment agency that specializes in temporary work. You can also go where other day laborers meet and wait for employers, such as building contractors, landscapers, homeowners, and small business owners. Common odd jobs people need day laborers for include construction basic office tasks, yard work, raking leaves, mowing lawns, shoveling snow, cleaning gutters, picking up groceries or running other errands for the elderly, doing chores, cleaning houses, clearing out an attic or shed, washing cars, moving and or packing. 4. Try pet sitting if you enjoy spending time with animals. Find friends who are going out of town and offer to take care of their pets while they're gone. Professional boarding places tend to be expensive, so your cozy little house or apartment is a nice alternative. Check to see what other pet sitters in your area charge to help you set your rates. Around the holidays, pet boarders fill up, meaning you can probably charge more. Ask your friends and family if they know anyone who needs a pet sitter. Word of mouth is often a great way to find jobs. 5. Become a dog walker if you live in an area where they are in demand. You can walk dogs for people who own dogs but who are too busy to walk them. However, this can be a demanding job, especially if you end up walking a few dogs at once or if you are walking dogs throughout the day. So ensure that you have the physical stamina for this type of job. Check to see what other dog walkers charge in your area and make your prices similar to those. Make a flyer or post an advertisement on online classifieds boards to advertise your services as a dog walker. Tell friends and family you are looking for work as a dog walker. 6. Become a babysitter if you are good with children. There are websites that will connect you with people who need a babysitter. To get hired by people who do not know you, it will help to pass a CPR class, or to have a special talent or expertise for entertaining children. However, you might be able to make money more quickly just by babysitting for people you know, or by having friends refer you to others who need a babysitter. Check to see what babysitters charge in your area and make your rates comparable. Keep in mind that caring for children is often hard work. Make sure that this is something you enjoy doing. 7. Sign up with a ride service company to become a private cab driver. Companies such as Uber, Grubhub and Lyft have set up services that connect drivers with people who need a ride and are willing to pay for it. You must own a car, have a valid driver's license, and meet other qualifications to be a driver. It might take some time to get registered as a driver with the service, but once you are, there are opportunities to make money fast because these services are in high demand. 8. Showcase your talents as a street performer. If you can dance, play music, mime, sing, or tell jokes, you can probably get some cash by performing in public. Put together a good act and find a place to perform. Give people a dose of live entertainment and hopefully they'll reward you with tips. Make sure to have a hat, cup, instrument case, or something else ready for people to drop money into. Always check local laws before performing in a public space, since some areas have bans or restrictions on this kind of work. 9. Pose for art students at a local art school or museum. Contact local art schools, colleges, and museums about opportunities to be a live model. Art students learn to draw the human figure by studying live models. Those that are willing to pose nude in front of others for up to 30 minutes can make money this way, usually at a per-hour rate. People hire models of all shapes, sizes, and genders. The website Art Model Tips maintains lists of opportunities in each state.